Tortoise. Hey, bird, I'm so jealous of your wings. You get to fly wherever you want, whenever you want. Bird. Ha, you think flying is all it's cracked up to be. Try having to find a bathroom at 30,000 feet sometime. Tortoise. Oh, good point. But at least you don't have to deal with shell shock. Bird. Shell shock. What's that? Tortoise. You know, when you're carrying around a heavy shell all day. It's exhausting. Bird. Oh, I see what you did there. Shell shock, get it? Tortoise. Yeah, I'm a comedic genius. Bird. Well, I've got one for you. Why did the bird go to the doctor? Tortoise. I don't know. Why? Bird. Because it had a foul cough. Tortoise. Groan. That was bird-brained. Bird. Hey, someone's got to keep the puns flying around here.